Vivo with its new handset iQOO Z10 Turbo Pro with a bunch of mind-blowing specifications and features. What's up friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The smartphone has an amazing specifications and looks beautiful. Smartphone will be powered by one of the fastest chipset, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, with supporting a powerful octa-core CPU and GPU of Adreno. The smartphone will be an OLED display and 6.70 inches screen size with a 1.5K resolution and 144Hz refresh rate. The RAM will be 12 and 16 GB and the internal storage will be 256 and 512 GB. This is enough storage to provide a home for the large files. There will be dual camera setup back on this phone. Main sensor is 50 megapixel wide and 8 megapixel ultra wide. The front camera will be 16 megapixel. There will be under display optical fingerprint scanner. The Vivo iQOO Z10 Turbo Pro is fueled with a big and powerful battery. The smartphone will run on Android operating system. That's all for now and thanks for watching.